this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I fix my wigs. Well, one of them.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Okay guys, I just got done cleaning this room and organizing it, and now I can get ready in it. If you want to see that video, it is up now on YouTube and on TikTok. If you just want to see me clean and organize this room. But this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I fix my wigs. Well, one of them. The one that I'm using right now, recently, every day, I need to fix it. So this is Motha. I call her Motha, M-O-T-H-A. That's her face. I cover her face because it freaks me out. I had this up in a little ponytail. I'll show you a picture right here. And now this is real hair. I got this on Amazon. I'll put the screenshot of what the wig looks like, and I'll also put in the link in the bio which wig this is. It is a 360 wig, so it has lace that goes all the way around. The cap ends right there. So I need to fix this wig because I might go out tonight. I don't know, but I'm definitely going out this weekend, so I need to get it ready for the weekend. So before I go and wash this wig, I need to brush it out as much as possible to get all the knots and tangles out. Okay, so I'm going to wash this wig. I have it in the shower. I'm gonna wash it with, my mom's a hairstylist, so she gets me some shampoo, crazy shampoos and conditioners. I got this from my mom. Kate Pat Cream Construction Shampoo. I'm gonna use the same one but conditioner. I was washing with cold water because it keeps it shine and it makes it softer. I also cleaned the lace as much as possible because there's so much makeup on it. Oh hell no! I can't. I went up to go get my phone. Where'd it go? Where'd it fucking go? I went up to get my phone. Sorry, it's all dusty up here. I got the freaking chills. So. We have the wet wig, the wet floor. The floor is soaked. So are my pants and my shirt. My shirt is soaking wet. I need to change it. And these, watch, ready? Did you see that? There was water that came from them. Soaking wet. And I gotta get the towels out of the dryer. I'm gonna go change into something that's not so soaking wet, and then we're going to towel dry this wig as much as possible because it is saturated. It's real hair, it's real human hair, so it's much heavier in texture when you wet it. It retains a lot more water than a synthetic wig would. So I am letting that drip dry, letting her drip dry. Okay, so I changed to this, still have the same pants on, and I'm out of towel. Why am I out of breath? Jesus, I'm out of shape. Okay, this is gonna go. I've only changed one sock because I have a cast on my right leg, and this sock isn't wet. So I just changed this sock. Now I am going to speed this up. Okay, you're gonna make sure you need to dry it as much as possible before you bring it in, or else it's gonna be dripping wet all over the carpet. Now she is not soaking wet. She is dry enough for me to start combing through. I know it's just horrible to brush wet hair. You should always comb wet hair. That's what my mom taught me. But I can't find my comb anywhere. So I'm gonna have to use my brush. Something I've always remembered that my mom taught me is to always brush your hair from the bottom to the top to get the knots out. Now that was actually pretty easy. Now I am going to blow dry this. I'm gonna make it as dry as possible. I don't know what it is about me. Maybe this is like the weirdo in me, but wet hair, like real human wet hair, feels really, really, really good. It's just so satisfying to me. I can do this all day.
A quick story time about this hair dryer. I've actually had it since I was a baby. I got it from my dad and I've been using it literally my whole entire life. And I'm pretty sure my dad had it before I was even born. Still works really well. Okay, I decided to leave it a little bit wet because I do want to make little waves. And I find this hair particularly, I can't say that word, it curls better when it's a little bit damp. Now I'm gonna brush it out and wait till my curler is hot enough to curl. And I've also had this curling iron since I was in high school. Surprisingly enough, yes, it also works very well. Actually, I'm gonna take that back in a second because half these curls look like shit. Any company wanna sponsor me and send me a curling iron to use in my videos? Because I will. Your girl is suffering over here. Okay, so the roots aren't curling for some reason, so I'm gonna just use some random hairspray and spray it on the roots only so they curl a little bit more. And this is what I have so far. You can tell they're really weird curls. I don't really like them. I need to fix the top. Ow, I just hit my fucking elbow. Jesus Christ. So this is only the bottom part of my wig, so I don't really have to worry about the curls being that impressive because no one's gonna really see it and it's gonna be laying on my back the whole time anyways. But it's the top part that I worry about, which I end up getting there eventually. Okay, you gotta trust the process. I also went ahead and used some styling gels just to help the curls out a bit more. It didn't really work, but we're getting there. It's a slow process, but oh my god, I'm telling you, this took hours, like 4 hours for me to do. Of course, I sped this up so you guys don't have to sit here for 4 hours watching me curl a freaking wig. I would literally rather watch paint dry. But while we're here, make sure you subscribe, like, follow, regardless of wherever you're watching this on, TikTok, YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna cut this short and I'll come back when I'm doing the last curls of this wig. Okay, so this is the wig. I still have some strands like right here. I need a curl. It's a little bit frizzy on top. That is my video on how I style my wigs. Hairspray.
2 hours later.
I don't know how many polar bears I just killed right there, but I am so sorry to the environment. Okay, I think I'm gonna tease this area. And if you guys want a video of how I apply the wig, please leave a comment. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. And if you're watching this on TikTok, make sure you hit the O button. That is my Miss Martha is all nice and curled. Next up, I'll show you guys how I put it on.